Yes, it's that time of year again, when Fashion Target's breast cancer shirts are on sale in the office. So you should always be aware of how you ask for them.
Say, are those for sale?
Ooh, let's try that one again.
Those are swell.
Or how about...
Do those come any bigger?
Ouch. Looks like someone needs a little help. So how do you ask properly?
I was wondering if I could please purchase a Fashion Target's breast cancer shirt similar to the one you are wearing, please.
Why, sure.
Well done. Remember, when we're all aware, we all get along. Order your shirt today and bring breast awareness back to the workplace.